Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Guild Wars error code 011. This error appears when users attempt to log into their account or create a new one. The error reads, "The password you have provided is incorrect. Please check your password and try again." Interestingly, this issue seems to predominantly affect gaming consoles, with PC users largely unaffected. Many users have shared that they started to have this error after a recent patch. According to the folks over at Guild Wars, this error usually arises due to incorrect account names or passwords or issues with the login servers. So how do you go about fixing this? Let's dive in. First things first, check your account credentials. An incorrect account name or password is a common culprit here. Be careful when entering this information. Ensure there are no spaces before or after your email or password. Double-check that all capital and lowercase letters match your original password. If you're using command line arguments for automatic login, avoid special characters in double quotes like "and." If your password contains these characters, consider quoting your password in single quotes like "and." Next up, try unchecking the Remember Account Name and Security Answer box. After you've done this, relaunch the client and re-enter your account credentials. This simple step could solve the issue. If the error continues to haunt you, consider resetting your account password. After resetting, try logging in with your new password. Finally, if all else fails, reach out to Guild Wars support. Make sure to provide all the details of the error along with the error message you're receiving. In summary, Guild Wars error code 011 is an error that typically arises due to incorrect account names or passwords or issues with the login servers. To fix this, you can check your account credentials, uncheck the Remember Account Name and Security Answer box, reset your account password, or contact Guild Wars support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.